Oblalotak, Kanwik Pisi. Today is Monday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves.
Today, we are going to talk about the water bottle filling stations and some reminders on how they should be used. If you've been in either the commons or the high school restrooms near the gym, you'll have noticed we have two water bottle filling stations for everyone to use in our school. Can anyone remember what happened to the water bottle filler station near the gym bathrooms last year? That's right. It was broken last year due to misuse. As a reminder, here's how the water bottle filler station got broken last year. This information will help everyone to understand how to take care of the station and stop using some of the same actions that led to breaking one last year. Take a look right here. This small but very important part is a sensor on the water station that allows for water bottles to be filled up. It is very important to know and remember that water bottle filler sensors are touch free. You simply have to place your water bottle in front of the sensor, which tells the station there is a water bottle. From that point on, water is then dispensed to your water bottle. Now, let's pause for a moment and ask ourselves a question. Have we been using these water bottle filler stations in a touch-free way? Unfortunately, the answer right now is no. While the problem is not as large as it was last year, we still have a fair number of students who are going up to these stations and touching the sensor with their hands. They then proceed to stick their heads under and get a drink of water. Let's think about what happens when we misuse other things. What would happen if you decided to let your bike or phone go swimming? It'd probably break or get damaged. Or imagine if you used your winter gloves to wash dishes. They would get ruined over time. This misuse of the water bottle filler stations occurred enough last year that it led to the sensor being broken in the station down by the gym bathrooms. Now, many here may not think that's a big deal, but we have to ask ourselves another new question. How much does one of these stations cost? And our answer for a relatively inexpensive one is just over $1,000. Last year, these units could be found for a couple $100 cheaper. So that means prices are going up. And over $1,000, that is a lot of money. Now, how much do you think a new sensor costs? It's just that small little part, right? Couldn't possibly cost that much. Well, a new sensor costs nearly $300. That's a lot of money. Now, there are some questions we have to ask ourselves, and one of the big ones we have to ask ourselves now is, why should we have to buy a brand new sensor if students keep doing the same thing to break one? It doesn't make any sense. Now, while we have done a great job of making this behavior smaller, we still need to work on changing this behavior until it's gone. That means helping each other and being remindful towards one another to not touch the sensors or put our heads under to get a drink of water. No one here in the school wants to see either water bottle filler station broken this school year or any future school year. So let's work together and continue to work on changing this behavior until it's gone. And with that said, I hope everyone has a magnificent Monday.